Hello viewers, my name is Gyanendra Kumar. I am biology educator in India. In this video we are going to discuss about rust and smut. So this rust is group of fungal disease which affecting plants. So it's a group of fungal disease and is caused by some pathogenic fungi. Yes. Pathogenic fungi like Puccinia. Puccinia is one of the common pathogenic fungi that causes rust disease in the plants. These fungus are, they are obligate parasite. Obligate parasite means they are completely depend on parasitism. They will not go for any other mode of nutrition. They are completely depend. They will uptake nutrition from their host, and they will affect the host growth, reproduction and all. Now, this rust fungi, they can be autoecious or they can be heteroecious. Autoecious means they can complete their life cycle in one host. Possible. They have only one host. And it's also possible they have two hosts. More host is also possible. So they can autoecious or they can heteroecious. And they are causing red brown pustules on. Can you see here this red brown color pustules on the leaf sheath and stem of the plant? Yes, see here, like this is the wheat plant. On the leaf of the wheat plant they are causing a red brown kind of pustules. As they have red brown kind of pustules like iron rust, that's why we are calling them rust. Okay, next one is smut. So guys, smut is again, it's a group of fungal disease that caused by facultative saprophytic fungus. As for example, Ustilago. Ustilago is facultative saprophytic plant. Facultative saprophytic fungus means they can go for parasitism also. They will use host also for their growth and reproduction, and it's also possible they will survive on dead and decaying matter also. Smuts are those parasitic fungi, facultative saprophytic fungi which causes smut. They are autoecious means they complete their life cycle in only one host. And what is their characteristic? They infect the inflorescence of the plant. Like you see here, they are infecting inflorescence of the wheat, and they are forming black powdery mass of spores in that inflorescence. So finally the grain will get, in that grain, the grain will be full of black color powdery spores. So this is rust and smut. Let's compare both rust and smut. So our rust is caused by obligate parasites. Smut is caused by facultative parasite. Rust facultative saprophytes. Rust fungus can be autoecious, they can be heteroecious. Smut fungus will be autoecious. Rust causes red brown pustule on leaf sheath and stem. This smut fungi, they causes black powdery mass of spore in inflorescence. Inflorescence. This smut causes systemic and localized both kind of infection in plants. Means they can infect different systems also, and their infection can be localized also, but rust infection will be localized always. The common organism with the common fungus which causes rust is Puccinia, and the common one which causes smut is Ustilago. Remaining we'll see in next video. Bye.